Hello, everyone, and for Calhacks 2025, me and my team went ahead and created Campus Match. Campus Match is the easiest way to connect, find partners, clubs, activities, venues all around your local campus. Campus Match is an exclusive in-network college networking experience. So not only is there a Tinder-like sort of dating experience, but there's also a LinkedIn-like networking and connecting experience. Our intelligent AI goes through and recommends venues, events, clubs, and all sorts of other stuff that it thinks the user, and based off of the chat history of the user and the profile of the user, thinks would be interested in. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and type in my email here. And I'll just put my name here. And 21, it's going to go ahead and send us a sign up link. Just give it a second. The internet's really slow. Yep, there it is. So let's go ahead and click this here. And all right, now we're up to the UX. So here we went ahead and used Vappy to go ahead and essentially seamlessly use voice to text to create our profile agentically. Now, unfortunately, we did run out of Vappy credits. So unfortunately, we obviously can't use this right now, but we do have a functioning version implemented in the live website. But for now, I'm going to use text. So as you can see, we can go ahead and create our profile. The school is imported here. This data isn't necessarily connected. So the school in the back end is actually the correct school, but the front end here we just haven't got to yet. And so it asks you, when are you free? Connect your calendar to find times when your matches are both available, make scheduling meetups effortless and awesome. So I'm actually going to wait for this feature because I'm going to show you a specific instance to do it with a match in this example here. But that's a really big component of this program, is that we have a bunch of agentic and AI features that make streamlining your networking and dating experience a bunch easier. So as you can see, this is the main user interface of the website. We see it starts us out in dating mode here, and we also can switch to friend mode, which would be the networking feature, right? So let's start swiping. So if we swipe right, oh, awesome, we got a match there, but let's keep swiping. So let's see, we're getting some profiles here. And we also have a filter mode, so you can go ahead and filter by graduation year, age range, GPA range, if that feature is toggleable. That's a client-side toggleable feature, so if you have your GPA shown and you elect to have your GPA shown, then other people who also have their GPA shown will you'll be able to see that as well. So let's go ahead and filter by art majors. Let's see what art majors are here. Oh, and there we go. There's a person, Morgan there, art major at UC Berkeley. I'll swipe right on that too. So if we go over to our messages here, we can go ahead and see the dating and the friends here, those two different people. And yeah, let's have a conversation with Jamie. Let's showcase some of the AI features. So I love cats. Do you like cats? Oh, she's allergic to cats. So check this out. We actually have an AI code assistant that can help us with any sort of dating or networking advice, because honestly, making that first step can be hard. What should I say? What should I say? I said I like cats, but she's allergic. Awesome. So Claude's going to ahead and be my wingman here. Save the day for me. Awesome. So what we can also do, that Claude chatbot is a really big feature for us, but also one of the most biggest features is the Connect Calendar feature, as I was talking about earlier. So the Connect Calendar feature, what I can go ahead and do here is connect my Google account, and it'll connect to this person's Google account, and it'll intelligently show us agentically what times are free in the periods that we have booked. So, and if you look at that here, it suggests a meetup spot that we both like, because we both have coffee on our profile. So moving on to one of the biggest features of this is the Discover page, the recommendation page. So this is where we use the bulk of our agentic stuff. So as you can see here, if I go ahead and scroll down, it's going to show us venues, study spaces in our local area based off of our pre-existing chats from not only our profile, but our chats. So we can click on these here, and we can also get directions too. It's fully integrated. Yep. And also, we can find and explore clubs in the same thing. So here's the AI Machine Learning Club. If we join club here or contact, it'll go ahead and send an email to them. So this is also a space for it's a collaborative hub for students to just have fun and network. So for the sponsors and technology we use to create this application, I do want to remind you, this is a deployed application. I am using a demo thing here to speed up sort of the process and showing you all the features that this application have. But we have fully deployed this on Vercel, and we already have a couple active users working on this platform. So yeah, as far as the sponsors goes, I can go ahead and break down here. So we use CodeRabbit to review sort of, we were doing the front end and back end separately. So CodeRabbit we used extensively to make sure that nothing went wrong in terms of merging them together. Our actual tech stack is just Node.js, Elastic, and React. That's how we're kind of building the core infrastructure for the website. VAPI, core feature of our application, was the voice to text feature. But unfortunately, again, we ran out of credits, but we're really proud of integrating that experience, and we hope we can show you that with more credits. Postman we used for debugging the backend endpoints, and Claude we used for general inference. For Y Combinator, what we went ahead and did is building one of our iconic startups, right? So if you couldn't tell already, we're kind of going for the original Facebook sort of vibe, because that was the point of original Facebook, right? Was for it to be a centralized campus communication thing. Unfortunately, it got too big for its britches, and now that's where we come in. So, is there anything else I should talk about? Alrighty. All right. Well, that concludes our video demo. Thank you guys for watching, and